and we're going to work behind those double crochet, all of them. In order to start the round, I do one loop to raise the round, one single crochet. This is our first single crochet for the first double crochet. Then we make double crochet behind the next double crochet, one more double crochet into the third behind. All of them are back post, they are called like that. Back post single crochet, back post double crochet, and one more back post double crochet. 4 loops, the chain, and one more back post double crochet behind the third one, which means that we have 2 of them and 4 loops in between them. Double crochet behind the next one, and one more back post single crochet. Let's repeat one more time. Here, one single crochet, double crochet behind the next one, double crochet, 4 loops, and one more into the same one, double crochet into the next, and single crochet. I'll see you in the end of this round. In the end of the round, we have to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet.